Welcome to LeMans Land Rover Service Brisbane, your trusted destination for expert care and maintenance of your Land Rover vehicle. Our skilled technicians are dedicated to preserving and enhancing your Land Rover's performance and reliability. We offer a comprehensive range of services, from routine maintenance, including oil changes, fluid checks, and tyre rotations, to advanced diagnostics, brake and suspension expertise, engine tuning, electrical repairs, and air conditioning maintenance. Using genuine Land Rover parts, we ensure your vehicle maintains its authenticity and off-road dependability. Customer satisfaction is our priority, characterized by clear communication and a customer-centric approach. Conveniently located in Brisbane, our service centre is easily accessible for Land Rover owners. Choose LeMans Land Rover